questions on arithmetic progression. Let us start with this question. Two APs have the same common difference. Two APs means first AP we should take here, then second AP. Two APs have the same common differences. Here also D, here also D. Difference between their 100th term is 100. So first we should take here the first term as A. Here we should take first term as B. First term, here we take it as A. Here first term for second AP we take it as a B. Nth term, 100th term, the difference between their 100th term. So we take A 100 equals A plus 100 minus 1, 99 D. Here also we write it 100th term. B 100 here equals B plus, because here A first term is B. B plus 99 D. Then read the question. Difference between the 100th term is 100. Difference between the 100th term means A 100 minus B 100 equals how much? 100. They are given 100. So expand this one. A 100 is how much? A plus 99D minus, put a bracket. B 100 is what? B plus 99D equals to 100. Now do the subtraction. A plus 99D minus B minus 99D equals to 100. 99D, 99D cancel. A minus B equals to 100. Next, we should find out what is the difference between their 1000th term. So take the difference between 1000th term. B to A 1000 minus B 1000. Expand it. A 1000 is what? A plus 999D. 1000 minus 1, 999. Minus B 1000 is B plus 999D. Here A plus 999D minus B minus 999D is to get answer. Here what we are getting? A minus B. Difference between their 1000 terms are also A minus B. Here we know A minus B is 100. So 100. So difference between their 1000th term is also 100. Next we go to next question. Which term of the AP will be 132 more than its 54th term? Here first write down what is A. A equals to 3. D equals to 15 minus 3, 12. 132 more than its 54th term. So first we have to find out 54th term. N equals 54. A 54 we have to find out. A 54 equals A plus 53D. One number subtraction. So A is how much? 3 plus 53 into D is 12. 3 plus multiply by 12. 12 3s are 36. 3 carry over. 12 5s are 60 plus 3, 63. Then add it. We are getting 639. This is 54th term. Will be 132 more in this. So we have to add it for this 132. How much we are getting? 9 plus 2, 11. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 1, 7. 6 plus 1, 7. 771 we are getting. We have to find out this 771 key, which term will become 771. Therefore, we take the formula. An equals A plus n minus 1 into D. Here, An equals what? 771. A is how much? 3. Plus n we don't know. We have to find out the n. D is how much? 12. So 771. Subtract 3 this side. Minus 3 equals n minus 1 into 12. Subtract. 11 minus 3. 8. 768 divided by 12 equals to n minus 1. 12 divided by 12. 12 ones are 12 6 are 72. 4 carry over, 12 4s are 48. So, n minus 1 equals to 48. N equals 48 plus 1. So, n equals 49. Next we go to another question. Third question. Find the number of terms in the AP 18, 15 and half 13. First we write down A, what they are given. A equals to 18. Next, we have to find out the D. D equals A2 minus A1. Here A2 is 15, 1 by 2. Convert to improper fraction. 15 2 is 30. 30 plus 1, 31 by 2 minus 18. Take the LCM. 2 is the LCM. 31 minus 18 2 is 36. How much? Minus 5 by 2. So D is here minus 5 by 2. Next they are given here AN equals minus 47. Find the number of terms they are asking here. So you have to find out N equals question mark. Write the formula. AN equals A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is what here? Minus 47. A is 18 plus N we don't know. We have to find out the N. D is minus 5 by 2. Now transpose 8 into this side. Then it becomes minus 47 minus 18 equals to N minus 1 into minus 5 by 2. Subtract. Add. When both are minus, we should add it. 8 plus 7, 15, 1, 4 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 65. Minus 65. Transpose this minus 5 by 2 this side. Then this becomes minus 2 by 5 equals to N minus 1. Down cancel 5 ones are 5, 13s are 13 2s are 26. N minus 1 equals to 26 because minus into minus plus. N equals 26 plus 1, then N equals 27. Next question. How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? We know 3-digit numbers are starting from start number is 100, last number is 999. Starting number is 100, last 3-digit number is 999. 100 is not divisible by 7. So the first number divisible by 7 is 105. 105 is divisible by 7. You can check by dividing it by 7. Next 100, add it to 7, 112. Next number 190. If we go in now, continue. Now we have to find out the last 3-digit number. The last 3-digit number is 999. You divided it by 7. 7 ones are 7. 9 minus 7, 2. 9. Next 7 4s are 28. 9 minus 8, 1. 19. Next 7 2s are 14. 9 minus 4, 5. So 5 is the remainder. You subtract 999 minus 5. We are getting 994. See, this 994 is divisible by 7. So the last digit number is 994. You can find out by this method. Next, we have to find out how many 3-digit number. That means N equals question mark. A equals 105. D equals to 7. We know 112 minus 105 because it is a multiple of 7. Therefore, D is 7. AN equals 994. Write the formula. AN equals A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is 994. A is 105 plus N we don't know. We have to find out the N. D is 7. Subtract 105 this side. 994 minus 105 equals to N minus 1 into 7. 994 minus 105. 14 minus 5, 9. 8. 9 minus 1, 8. 89 divided by 7 equals to N minus 1. Divided it by 7. 7 ones are 7. 1 carry over. 18. 7 4. 7 2s are 14. 4 carry over. 7 7s are 49. Now 127 transpose 1 to this side plus 1 equals to N. So 128 equals to N. The sum of 4th and 8th terms of an AP is 24. That means sum of 4th term. We know 4th term is A4 and 8th term, sum means we should take plus. 8th term is A8 equals to how much? 24. This is one equation. Next, second equation. Find the sum of 6th and 10th term. 6th term means A6 plus 10th term is A10 equals to 44. Now we have to expand. A4 means what? We know A plus 3D plus A8 means what? A plus 7D equals to 24. A plus A, 2A plus 7 plus 3, 10. 10D equals to 24. See, 2, 10, 24. All are multiples of 2. So, divide the whole equation by 2. Then we are getting A plus 5D equals to 12. This is first equation. Similarly, we have to simplify this equation. A6 is what? A plus 5D. A10 is A plus 9D. 10 minus 1, 9 equals to 44. Now, again add it. A plus A, 2A plus 9 plus 5, 14D equals to 44. Again, all are multiples of 2. Therefore, divide the whole equation by 2. Here we are getting A plus 7D equals to 22. See, these two equations are two linear equations of variable A and D. Then we have to solve it by elimination method. First equation, take the second equation and solve it. Elimination means subtraction. We have to change all the symbols. Minus, minus. A minus A get cancelled. Here we have to see the change of the symbol. Here plus becomes minus. Minus 7 plus 5. What? Minus 2D equals to minus 22 plus 12. That is minus 10. So D equals minus 10 divided by minus 2. Both are get cancelled. 5. D equals to 5. Now substitute D equals to 5 in the second equation. So A plus 7 into 5 equals to 22. A equals 22 minus transpose D to the side. 7 5 is 35. Then A equals 35 is a big number. Here minus. So take a minus. 5 minus 2 3. 3 minus 2 1. A equals to 13. Find the first three terms of the AP. So first term we are getting A equals to minus 13. Second term is what? A2 equals A plus D. A is what? Minus 13. D is plus 5. So 13 minus 13 plus 5 is minus 8. Next, A3 equals A2 plus D. A2 is what? Minus 8. D is plus 5. Minus 8 plus 5 is minus 3. So these are the three terms. Next go to second, another question. Find AP whose third term is 16. Third term is what? A3 equals to 16. And the seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. Observe here. Seventh term means A7 equals to. Exceeds the fifth term by 12 means exceeds something, that means adding. A12, sorry. Exceeds the fifth term means A5 plus by 12. So plus 12. A5 plus 12. This is the equation. Now we have to expand. A3 is A plus 2D equals to 16. A7 is what? A plus 16. A5 is A plus 4D equals to 12. See, A get cancelled. 16 transpose 4D destroyed. A 6D minus 4D equals to 12. 6 minus 4, 2D equals to 12. D equals to 12 by 2. That is 6. Now substitute the value of 6 in this equation. A plus 2 into 6 equals to 16. A equals 16 minus 6 to 12. 16 minus 12. A equals to 4. A equals to 4. D equals to 6. Find AP. So we have to write out the AP means first one number is 4. Next number is 4 plus 6. How much? 10. Next number is 10 plus 6. 16. Next number is 16 plus 6. 22. Enough. 3 to 4 numbers we should write and put the dash dash dash. Then it should represent the series of the AP. Find 31st term of an AP. That means we have to find out A 31st equals question mark. Next, whose 11th term is 38. That means A11 equals to 38. And the 16th term is 73. A16 equals to 73. Same type of question before we do know. A plus A11. A11 means A plus 10D equals to 38. A 16 means A plus 15D equals to 73. We are getting two linear equations. So solve it by elimination method. A plus 15D equals to 73. Subtraction. Minus, minus, minus. These two get cancelled. 15, 10. Minus 15 plus 10. Minus 5D. Here also 73 is big number. So take a minus. 13 minus 8, 5. 6 minus 3, 3. Now D equals minus 35 by minus 5. That is 7. So D equals to 7. Now substitute the value of D in this equation. A plus 15 into 7 equals to 73. A equals to 73 minus, you have to transpose to this side. 15 sevens are 105. Now A equals, subtract. Minus, big number sign you have to put it. 5 minus 3, 2. 10 minus 7, 3. 32. A equals minus 32. Now we have to find out A 31st term. We know A 31st equals A plus 30D. A is minus 32 plus 30 into D is 7. Minus 32 plus 7 3s are 21, 210. Then do the subtraction. 10 minus 2, 8. Next 10 minus 3, 7.